All right, so this little trowel came out great. I scraped the varnish off and sanded it down really smooth. I didn't really know this when I bought this, and as I'm just kind of getting more into gardening, I'm learning some things. The varnish that comes on shovels and handles and things, I think is intended to be removed by the user, and I never have done that. And I have lots of shovels and stuff that we're going to be restoring that need attention to the wood, but that varnish is there just to protect it while it's in shipping. At least that's my belief and kind of what I've been told and in learning more about this stuff. So scraped it off, sanded it down, got one coat of boiled linseed on there. I think I'll do another one maybe tomorrow. There is a soak-in period of the boiled linseed, and when you put multiple coats on, you'll realize why. It looks good now, but in the morning, it'll be kind of back the way it was. And so several coats of the boiled linseed. You're supposed to do it every day. In fact, I heard this is from someone, every day for a week, and then once a week for a month, and then once a month from there on out. Now that's probably overkill for most people, but I'll at least put a couple coats on. I don't know that I'll do that whole regimen. Um, the blade's in good shape. This is a couple years old, and it just hasn't been. I mean, it's just used, like not abused. So, but I have been wanting to try this. There's several people have recommended, and I did it on the right side since I'm right-handed. I didn't do the whole sharpening bevel here, and this does not. The bevel doesn't touch the back, so it is not sharp at all. It would not cut anything, but I've been told that this really aids in digging, especially if there's little roots or something. It kind of aids in when you're using this. It kind of aids in that. So I'm gonna try it out. We'll see if it works or not. It's the off season, but it'll be springtime before we know it, and this guy will be back to use. I've considered painting this. My daughter has this exact same trowel, and I painted her handle pink. It's held up great. I did that several years ago, and I considered painting this, but I just went with the boiled linseed. I'm trying to kind of go black and boiled linseed on stuff with a natural finish. The wood does have some spots in it where it looks like the varnish got off, and maybe the wood just has reacted differently with the sun and dirt and stuff. But I think it looks fine. I think it'll be just fine. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you know about how this kind of sharpening of a shovel or a trowel would work, if you have any experience with that, leave it down below. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.